Hello everyone, this is Chaplin from Linker Limited Company. I'm here to invite you to participate in CHINAPLAS together with me, the 25th China International Plastics and Rubber Industry Exhibition with the theme of starting a new journey, shaping the future innovation and win-win. We return to Shenzhen International Convention and Exhibitions on April 17 to 20. This year's Designs and Innovation is themes exploring the DNA of innovative products. Low carbon, Western health, Linker Elchisani is committed to the research and development of the high-performance plastic welding equipment. As an enterprise with 30 years of the Elchisani's technology accumulation, we have always used our rich plastic welding experience and welding technology to promote plastic welding to achieve higher quality and higher efficiency. Let's join hands with the exhibition's platform to explore the business opportunities, seek a common way out, and seek breakthroughs against the trends. Linker Elchisani sincerely invite you to come.